It's like every single time I'm trying to focus, I'll just hear, and again, and again. When I'll check, it's Facebook. I'll check, it's Instagram. I'll check, it's TikTok. That needs to end. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melvie and thank you so much for being here. So in today's video, I wanted to share with you all 12 habits that I'm going to incorporate in my life daily so I can make this year a very successful year for me. So the first habit will be waking up early. We've heard it a million times that waking up early has a lot of benefits in your life. You need to wake up early. It's going to change your life. So since I wanted to change my life in 2024, I told myself I need to wake up early every single day to make sure that my life actually changed and to see the benefits of waking up early. And the second one is to pray and to read my Bible every single day. I want to pray and read every single day. I don't know for you, but for me, every single day, usually in the morning when I start my day, you know, with prayer, worship, and you know, that just gratitude about everything that God is doing in my life, in my family, that just sets a good mood for my day. So I want to do that daily and not forget, because there are days when I'm just like, I jump into bed, out of bed, I'm like, oh, you know, I need to rush to work and everything. So I want to make sure every single morning I pray, I have time for God, I have time to, you know, to set the right mind for my day. And also reading the Bible just gives me so much knowledge. And sometimes when I have a lot of uncertainty in my life, you know, when I'm questioning myself about so many things, when I read the word of God usually gives me answers. It usually shows me the way how I need to do certain things. So I'm just going to make sure daily this year I'm going to read my Bible so that I have more knowledge and I will just receive more wisdom from God. The third thing is plan my days ahead. I don't know about you, but I tried in 2023 to plan my days ahead for I think a couple of months, and then just laziness came and then I stopped doing it. But planning your days ahead will make you get so many things done that you couldn't even think you could have done. Because when I was planning my days, when I planned like I'll cook, I'll do this, I'll do that, it was helping me a lot. And this year I've decided I'm going to do that again. There is this app that I usually use where you know, I'll put time and everything, so it will remind me that this time you need to do this. This is the time you need to take a shower. This is the time you need to do this. That just helps me, you know, to keep track of everything that I need to do and when I need to do it, so I can get actually things done. Because when I don't plan, I'm lazy, stay in my couch doing nothing, because I just feel like I don't have anything to do. But when I have a reminder every single time that you need to do this, it reminds me that I have things to do and I need to complete those things. The fourth one is to not check on my phone early in the morning. I don't know, there's this bad habit that a lot of us might have the same habit. You just wake up and you want to check on your social media, or you just want to check on your phone, you know, what's going on in the life. I want to check the news, I want to check the whatever is just out there. I'm going to stop that this year, and I think you should too, because days where I just wake up, pray, and then start my day, you know, with a good mood, set the mood differently with me checking my phone, I just feel like those days I'm more productive and it's just a better day. Because days where imagine you're not going to work and then you just wake up, you check on your phone, you see interesting things in your phone, and then you keep scrolling. You can just have, you know, waste like an hour or two just like that, while you could have done something else with your time. So checking up my phone early, I'm stopping that. I need to stop that. I'm changing that. First thing in the morning, meditation, prayer. We are not checking our phones. Number 5 habit that I'm going to incorporate this year is getting a shower early in the morning. I don't know about you, but usually when I work from home, I'm just too lazy. I'll wake up, brush my teeth, you know, wash my face, and then start walking. And I just feel like sometimes it doesn't feel set right with me. Days where I just wake up and take an early morning shower, those days I just feel refreshed, I just feel different. When you know, just not taking a shower but also making yourself look good. You just wake up, you take a good shower, you dress up really nice, even though you know you're not going anywhere. I think our mind your mind will just change. I've tried that a couple of days and it's a game changer. It's a game changer, you know, when you just wake up in the morning, take a good shower, get ready. I'm not saying like you need to, you know, wear a gala dress or whatever, but just, you know, dress up nice. It will make your mind feel good. When you look at yourself in the mirror, you look good, your mind is good, everything is good. So I'm going to be getting showers early in the morning and not wait maybe, you know, until 12 or 1 p.m. or whatever. And the sixth thing is scrolling on social media for long period of time for no reason, just because I'm too lazy to do something else. I'm going to stop that. And that is why, since I'm starting to plan my days ahead, I'll be planning social media time in my schedule so that I know at that specific time I can go on my social media, check maybe, you know, on different creators that I'm following, what they've posted, check on that, and then get out of social media. Whenever my phone will just ring, it's time out, I'll get out of social media and do something else, because social media is made so we can stay in it for hours. There's just something about social media, especially TikTok. When you're in it, you just start scrolling, and the videos plays automatically. You don't have to press anything, just scroll. The video is playing, just scroll. You can stay there for hours. And this year, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. That's why I need to plan my social media times, maybe 10 minutes here and there, so I can check on my social media, but we're not scrolling all the time for no reason. Talking about social media, the next thing that I'm going to also do is remove unnecessary notification on my phone, because most of the time you don't even want to check on your social media, but when your phone rings and then you go there, oh, it's Instagram, let me look, oh, it's TikTok, let me look, and then you stay there for hours. So what I'm doing this year, I removed all the notification, especially social media notification and any other app that I have on my phone that is just like sending me notification for no reason. Because most of the time when you are focused doing something and then you hear your phone ring, you will take your phone and get into there like to check, you know, what that message or what that email, whatever, and you might stay on your phone for a longer period of time. So I want to be focused on the things that I'm doing. That is why I'm removing notification. I'll pop into social media when I want and then check on my messages or whatever thing is happening there. I'm not just going to let my phone ring and reminds me you need to check. You know, I'm taking control now, so I'm the one who choose when I check on things on my phone, and not let my phone just ring every single time, because those social media, they send us a lot of notification. Sometimes someone goes live, notification, someone does this, notification. We are not doing that. If you want to be successful and accomplish things this year, remove those notifications. Go on your social media when you decide to go. Don't let social media decide when you should go there. Number 8, I'm going to reduce how long I'm watching TV daily. I came to realize that I usually watch TV a lot and for long hours. I'll watch like a 1-hour program and then I'll be like, oh, let me watch another one. And if you watch like series or show on Netflix, you know that feeling, you know, when you're watching a good show and then it usually ends to the best part so that you're going to watch the next episode. This year I'm stopping that. I'm going to limit the time that I'm watching TV, because staying on your couch or on your bed watching TV and then, you know, just being there, it's making you a lazy person. You need to do things for your life. You need to do things for yourself. And this time, whenever I'm watching TV for a very long period of time, I keep reminding myself that the person who did that movie already got paid for doing the movie. So if I stay here just watching the movie, they're getting money while I'm not doing anything. I'm being lazy. I'm not being productive. So I need to close that TV, turn off the TV, and then do something else. So you need to remind yourself to not watch TV for a very, very long period of time. The next one is I'm going to start to sleep early, because when I sleep late, I don't sleep long. I cannot wake up early and the next day just rains. So this year I decided I need to sleep early in order for me to get, you know, a good minimum, I'll say 7 hours sleep, so that the next day I'll wake up feeling good, feeling great, everything is nice. because I'm ready for the day. When you sleep late all the time, the next day is just rain, because you wake up feeling grumpy, feeling weird, and the day will not be good. So make sure you are sleeping early this year to make this year a very successful one. So number 10 is my eating habit. I want to eat healthy this year. I want to cook healthy meals, eat healthy, so that I can stay healthy. I don't want to eat too much junk food or eating out all the time. I want to be cooking at home and eating good food, eating my fruits, my vegetables, drinking water, making sure I'm developing those healthy habits, not just for me, because for my family, for my kids. I want them to eat healthy, and it's going to start with me. So this year we're eating healthy food, we're cooking at home, and we're making those healthy meals. And talking about healthy food, the number 11 is moving my body, exercising. This year I really want to take exercising seriously. I really want to take going to the gym seriously. And even on days where I don't go to the gym, I just want to move, maybe go out for a 30-minute walk. It's going to do you good. The past month I was going to the gym, walking outside almost every single day, and those days I will just have a good mood, feel good, because you need to move your body. I think just exercises brings out anxiety, brings out stress, and then gives you so much peace. You feel good about yourself, and you also feel good about how your body is looking. When the gym is doing its thing, your body is transforming and everything is perfect, you're going to be in a very, very good mood. So make sure you're walking, you're moving your body, okay? Don't just sit there all day long. Move your body, move, exercise. It's going to do you a lot of good. And the last habit is discipline. We need to be disciplined. If I'm not disciplined, how am I going to do all the things that I just say I was supposed to do or I'm going to do? I need discipline. It goes the same way, when you want to lose weight, for example, you need discipline to go to the gym, to work out, to eat healthy meals so that you can reduce your weight. It's the same thing with being successful. Being successful requires a lot of sacrifice, and those sacrifices are the things that we need to do daily so that we can get where we want to get. But if we are not disciplined, will not accomplish anything. So make sure you are disciplined about the goals or the decision that you made this year so that you can actually accomplish those goals. I think in the end of the year or in the beginning of the next year, I'll probably pop here and say I respected those things and this is how it actually changed my life. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Love you and see you in the next one. Bye.